Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making keto meat pies, my all-time favorite keto comfort food. Individual pie portions also serve well for keto meal prep. It's very versatile. Let's get started with the pie dough making and baking. Ingredients needed are 300 grams of almond flour, 80 grams of coconut flour, 30 grams of milk powder, 30 grams of soy flour, 20 grams of oat fiber, 4 grams of Samson gum, 4 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of onion powder, 2 grams of sea salt, 80 grams of cold butter, 60 grams of iced water, and 2 large eggs. Keep everything cold. First, we mix them all together in a food processor. In total, I made 720 grams of the pie dough, divided into 4 different portions to fit my pie rings. This is a stainless steel made pastry ring. The diameter is 6.5 centimeters. The height is 3.5 centimeters. For the ring roll, I have 320 grams divided into 8, 40 grams each. The ring button, 160 grams divided into 8, 20 grams each. The ring lid, 200 grams divided into 8, 25 grams each. The leaf decorations, 40 grams divided into 8, 5 grams each. It's fun and therapeutic to make the pie crust in a way of assembling different parts, like using play clay to complete an art project from school. I cut, I divide portions, measure the weight, roll it, and shape it. How fun! This pie shape is dated back several centuries. The cylinder-shaped container is classic and rustic. A fun fact to share: actually, centuries ago, in a condition of no refrigerator, the pie crust is actually served as a true container to keep the meat fillings fresher and last for more days, easy to grab and go, and even go travel. Though it was made from wheat flour, but it was not made edible in the first place. Now the pie crust is a crucial element of a good pie, and some people even enjoy the pie crust more than pie fillings. Back to our pie crust making. After putting all together, we need to dust the pie button and side wall. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. This is a blind bake or pre-bake. Doing it or not is optional, depends on your preference or time schedule. I have other videos made specifically for mastering a keto pie crust. Check them out for more tips. And with some egg whitewash, bake for another 5 minutes. Let it cool back to room temperature, then chill in the fridge. Then continue to make the pie lid and its decorations. Size of the pie lid is similar to the pie button. And basically, the decorations can be made in any shape or form you like. Go with your imagination, creativity, and inspirations from pie fillings or a particular season. Now let's see the ingredients of the meat filling. We need 450 grams of ground pork or beef or a mixture, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, quarter of an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of granulated onion, half teaspoon of ground black pepper, ground Sichuan pepper, and turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of sea salt. First, we chop the vegetables into very fine dices, about 0.5 centimeter, 1/8 of an inch. Mix all the spices. Sugar-free soy sauce with mixed spices, particularly the Sichuan pepper, is my favorite flavor. It goes very well with a lot of different proteins. We are now making the pie filling. Heat a pan and add some oil. Add the ground meat. Press it flat and spread it in the pan. I don't stir it at this stage because I want to sear the meat and let it caramelize a bit. Then break it into small pieces. Add onions. Add garlic. Add half of the sugar-free soy sauce. Add bell peppers. Give it a good stir. Then add all the spices and the other half of the soy sauce. I prefer the texture in a dry side, and vegetables have sufficient water, so I did not add any liquid. It's optional to have some oil and half teaspoon of Zamzam gum to further thicken the fillings. Stir and stir and stir till the consistency you like, then turn off the heat, let it cool down. I use an ice cream scoop to make sure each pie shell is packed with an even portion of the pie filling. Egg wash the pie ring. Covered with the pie lid. Trim the edge if needed. Crimp the pie rim with a fork. Egg wash the pie lid. I prefer egg white to prevent the burnt lid. Cut the lid for steam to come out when baking. Use egg white again as a glue to attach these leaf decorations. Then the whole pie making is complete because the pie shells are pre-baked and the pie filling is also cooked already. The final bake, particularly the lid, takes less time. It's optional to chill in the fridge and to bake the next day. You can manage to serve quickly if you had other dishes to go in a busy schedule. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Covered with parchment paper to get the brown color you want and prevent burnt lids. Out of oven and you have made some delicious keto meat pies. Because it's a savory pie, so it's perfect to serve it hot. No need to wait until it's completely cooled down. After keto diet and lifestyle, I have loved and enjoyed savory pastries a lot. Keto pastry crust gives me the same satisfaction as eating a regular staple, such as rice, noodles, pasta, and bread. More excitingly, options of the pastry fillings are unlimited, vegetarian or meaty, mild salty or hot spicy, with or without cheese. Absolutely your choices. Do you like any particular keto pastry? Let me know in the comments section. I wish you enjoyed this video and please always know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.